It's just the sub. Oh man. Woo!
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Is that good?
Yeah, you're good.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is John Baginski. I got two ZV5 18s on a Terram's 12K. Yeah.
The box specs, do you know what's changed to and peaking at?
I'm peaking at 41.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what it's tuned to.
So you've done a lot of roof work and panels, everything sealed.
That's all Triple B Customs, Bubba Brewer.
Okay.
I believe you know him.
Yeah, I've seen them. All right. Wow. Nice box too.
Thank you.
Have you metered it yet?
Yeah.
How'd it do?
159.
Really awesome. That's good. What are you peaking at frequency wise?
41.
41? All right.
You want me
Sweet.
to give you a song, or you want me to give you a 41?
Whatever's loudest. I like loud songs. Whatever you know is loudest at your peak.
This is a good one.
Okay, sure.
Actually, you know what?
Window?
Can I put that window up?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
All right.
Whatever's loudest on driver's passenger side is usually best.
Spinning this beaches south, beaches surfboard and high tide. Like I just it's wretched and hold up. I feel wretched. Going down for it.
Turn it down. You're smoking. That's just the sub. Oh man. Woo! I've seen a lot of stuff smoke and not be blown though, so but holy crap. Dude, you must have been hitting it hard, man.
It's done.
Woo!
Now, in the subs.
Have you been having sub issues or was it? Man, how hot is it? That's a little warm, yeah.
You think I should spray in there? They're burning.
Nah, hold up.
Don't spray?
Relax.
I was gonna say, do you have any low test tunes?
Nah, not if it's got a shorter flow. Just surf, board and high tide. I got just stretches, hold up. I feel bucket stretches, hold up. I know it can't say. If you afraid, then come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open and see. This is going down for it. Going down for it.
Turn it down. You're smoking. That's just the sub. Oh man. Woo! I've seen a lot of subs smoke and not be blown though, so but holy crap. Dude, you must have been hitting it hard, man.
It's done.
Woo!
Now, in the subs.
Have you been having sub issues or was it? Man, how hot is it? That's a little warm, yeah.
You think I should spray in there? They're burning.
Nah, hold up.
Don't spray?
Relax.
I was gonna say, do you have any low test tunes?
Nah, not if it's got a shorter 12.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.